If you're using Delta Executor on iOS, keeping it updated is key to running your favorite apps and games smoothly. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Updates won't work on weak or unstable networks. Next, open the Delta Executor app on your iPhone or iPad. Look for the Check for Updates option in the settings or the main dashboard. Tap it, and the app will check if a newer version is available and will notify you. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. The app may ask you to trust the developer profile in your device settings. To do this, go to Settings and then General, the VPN and Device Management, find the Delta Executor profile and tap Trust. Remember, keeping Delta Executor updated ensures compatibility with the latest iOS versions and fix bugs from previous releases. Always update from official sources to avoid malicious copies. And that's it. Your Delta Executor is now up to date and ready for action. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.